My name is Tanushka Sharad Kural. I am studying in 8th class. Today I tell a day and date. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 13 November 2025. Thank you. Morning everyone. My name is Aditi Yogesh Bansa. Today I tell good thought. Today's good thought is never stop learning because life never stop teaching. शिकणे कधी थांबू नका कारण आयुष्य कधी शिकवणे थांबत नाही. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Tanishka Sachin Thomre. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I ask some GK question. My first question is what is the full form of GPS? The answer is correct, Global Positioning System. My second question is who is captain India to their first ever ICC Women OID World Cup title in 2025. 2025 मध्ये भारताला पहिल्यांदाच ICC महिला एकदिवसीय विश्वचषक जिंकून देणारी कर्णधारी कोण? Answer is correct, हरमनप्रीत कौर. My third question is how many bones present in a human body? मानवी शरीरात किती हाडे असतात? Answer is correct, 206. My fourth question is who is the first business woman in India? भारताची पहिली उद्योगपती महिला कोण? कल्पना सरोज. My fifth question is how many member in राज्यसभा? राज्यसभेमध्ये किती सदस्य आहेत? Answer is 250. My sixth question is how many districts in Maharashtra? महाराष्ट्रात एकूण किती जिल्हे आहेत? Answer is correct, 36. My seventh question is which is the largest state in India? भारतातले सर्वात मोठे राज्य कोणते? Answer is correct, Rajasthan. Thank you.
Morning everyone. My name is Durga Dattu Sonone. Today I speak Saraswati Vandana. So you speak my back. या कुंदेंदु तुषार हार धवला कुंदेंदु तुषार हार धवला या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिवी देवै सदा वंदिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेष जाड्या पहा. या श्लोकचा मिनिंग असा होतो की या श्लोकाने सरस्वती माता आपल्यावर प्रसन्न होते आणि आपल्याला अभ्यासामध्ये चालना मिळते. थँक्यू.